Hey guys, Josh here, and today I'm going to be showing you the split body effect. Impress your friends, show off your skills with this neat editing trick, and we're going to be using Filmora to edit it. First, let's talk about the filming process. You will need two different shots, one reaction shot and one walking down the stairs shot. It's really important that you have some sort of horizon blocker. For example, I'm using the handrail of the staircase to block my body, or split my body in half rather. Tip number 2, make sure that your lighting stays consistent between the two shots. The shots I recommend should be shot back to back. For example, walk at a consistent pace down the stairs. Hold your reaction shot, pretend like you're watching your lower half of your body walk away from you. Then gently walk back up the stairs and walk back down at that same exact pace. Time your steps and time how long you want to hold your legs until they split off from your body. Really, really important. Make sure you sell this effect by making a great reaction with facial expressions. This is how you will definitely impress all of your friends, family, or whoever's watching your video. Now that you've done that, let's bring it into Filmora and I'll show you exactly how to edit it. Make sure you download Filmora by checking out the link in the description box below. Here we are in Filmora. I'm going to drag and drop the clip into my timeline. And surprisingly, this is very easy to edit. It's actually more challenging to shoot than to edit. So remember, again, keep that pace in your steps when you're coming down those stairs. That's how you make this effect work. We're basically going to be using masking, but before we get into that, we're going to cut out the parts of the clip that I don't need. I'm going to first trim and cut my reaction clip, and this clip will be on top. You'll understand what that means in just a few moments. Then I'm going to scrub through until the end of my reaction shot. I'm going to trim and cut that. Then I'm going to go to my legs walking away shot right about here. Cut that. And we're going to place that below my reaction shot. Next, we're going to take the upper clip, which is that reaction shot. We're going to go to effects once you double click on the clip. And we're going to go to opacity and drop that opacity. The reason why I do this is because I want to perfectly line up my lower half of my body to my upper half of the body. And by adjusting the opacity, you can see both of the clips and line it up to the best of your abilities. Make any necessary trims if possible to make the timing perfect. Once you've properly trimmed and cut both of the clips and you think you have it perfectly down, let's add that masking effect. The mask is going to allow us to split both of the clips and merge them into one. So we're going to place the mask on the upper clip, which is the reaction clip. So I'm going to double click on that clip. We're going to go to mask, draw mask, and I'm going to start drawing out my mask on the handrail. Now we can close off the mask, and now you can see that both my lower half and my upper half of my body have been combined from two different shots. And just like that, the effect is complete. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Peace.